Have you ever wondered what happens to people who intentionally hurt you? Maybe they lied, betrayed, or mocked you, and it seems like they got away with it. But the Bible reminds us that God sees everything. Here are 7 signs that God may be dealing with those who choose to harm others. This isn't about celebrating someone's pain. It's about trusting God's justice instead of seeking revenge. Let's begin. Their peace begins to disappear. Even if they look happy on the outside, guilt and inner emptiness can slowly replace their peace. The truth starts coming out. Lies have a way of being exposed. What was hidden doesn't stay hidden forever. They ignore repeated warnings. God often gives people chances to change, but when those warnings are ignored, the consequences become harder to avoid. The results of their choices catch up with them. Every decision has consequences, and eventually people reap what they sow. Relationships begin to fall apart. Dishonesty, pride, and selfishness often damage trust, leaving people isolated. They lose the joy they once had. Success without peace cannot satisfy the heart, and many discover that too late. God begins restoring the one who was hurt. While he deals with wrongdoing, he also heals, strengthens, and opens new doors for those who continue trusting him. If you've been hurt, don't let bitterness control your heart. Leave justice in God's hands. Keep your faith strong and continue walking forward. His timing is always perfect. Trust in the Lord with all your heart,